Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Rachna Prasad. I hope you are doing well and thank you for being here. So in today's video, I will be unboxing some book boxes that I bought recently. So there are some books from Flipkart, there are some books from Amazon, and then there is this big ass parcel from Bookchore. And I will be opening the Flipkart boxes first, and I will be opening the Bookchore box in the end because I'm really excited for it. So I will be opening the ones that I am not that excited for first. Should we start from the smaller ones first? Yeah, okay. I'm sorry if this video is long. I'm leaving timestamps in description, so you can check out whichever haul you want to see. If you want to see Flipkart, you can choose the timestamps. So yeah, I have my scissor and the cutter here. So let's get started. The first book that we have here is To the Lighthouse by Virginia Woolf. I'm really excited to read this book, and it has been on my TBR for such a long time. Actually, all these books have been on my TBR for a long time, and I finally bought them. So yeah, and this is one of the classics. So I'm really excited to read this one. Okay, now moving on to the next book. This one, of course. I'm just scared. I don't want to damage the books, okay? I'm very messy at this, so don't judge me. Oh my god, which book is this? Which book is this? It's Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. And this is another classic that I have been wanting to read since a long time, so I'm really excited to read this one. I have watched the movie of this book and I kind of liked it, and I have heard mixed reviews of this book, but I guess it's a very good classic. So yeah, I'm really excited to read this, and I just really like the cover of this book, how pretty it is, and the way this book is. It's very tiny. So and let's open the next one. Okay, it's 1984 by George Orwell, and this is another one that has been on my TBR for a long time. I'm kind of intimidated by this book because it's a classic, and I think the language of this book might be too formal for me, so I'm still going to give it a chance. I have bought it now. So yeah, another one that I'm really excited to read. Let's open this one. Oh, this is A Room of One's Own by Virginia Woolf, and this is such a tiny book. This is such a small book. Yeah, only it's of only 101 pages. Okay, I'm really excited to read this one. I don't know what's it about, but I have heard quite good things about this. This one is again the one that I'm really excited to read, and yeah. So now let's open the boxes. I think I have to use the cutter for this. Yeah. Nice. We have a bookmark here. There is no surer foundation for a beautiful friendship than a mutual taste in literature by P.G. Wodehouse, and I do agree with that. Can you guys see? Let me just. Okay, it won't focus, but yeah, it's a beautiful bookmark. The next book that we have here is The Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri. I'm really excited to read this one. I have heard quite a lot about this author, and yeah, her books are really amazing. So I'm really excited to start Jhumpa Lahiri with this book, The Namesake. So, and this has such a beautiful cover. This is such a stunning cover. I just really love it. Now moving on to the next box. Yeah, this one here. So there is a bookmark. How much do you like this book on a scale of 1 to 10? And there is a scale given here. Again, this won't focus, but okay. So the next book is Frankenstein by Mary Shelley, and I'm again very excited to read this book. I think this is a horror book. This is like really famous one in this genre. Yeah, so I will be reading this book. Oh, I forgot to open the plastic covers. I'll do it right now. I'll open the cover of the namesake too. I hope I don't damage the book. God. Yeah, I didn't. Beautiful book with a beautiful story. And now opening the Frankenstein. Oh, I'm so bad at these things. Yeah, here it is. Also, I was really worried about receiving a pirated copy, because I have heard that many people do receive pirated copy from Flipkart, but I'm glad that that's not the case with me. So yeah, what is in here? Another book which is very tiny, and it's Animal Farm by George Orwell. Am I the only one who is not really attracted to small copies or tiny copies? Because I really like big books. I'm a big fan of thick books, if you can see here. Another book by George Orwell. If you can see this, can you? Okay. Now let's open the next book. There is no bookmark in here. Next box. Let's open the next box. We have The Alchemist here by Paulo Coelho. Now I'm really excited to read this book. I did start this book, but it was an e-book, so I stopped midway. But I wasn't really enjoying the e-book because I don't really like e-books. So scared of damaging the books with that cutter, because I'm not good at these things. Okay, a beautiful copy here of The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, and there are one of my friends really wanted me to read this book. She was really excited when I told her that I bought this book. So yeah, I will be reading this one soon. And now let's open the next one. Let's open the next box. I think this is the last one from Flipkart. I don't think I'm going to do unboxing again because it's not really my cup of tea. I'm just going to show you guys the book hauls, or I'm just going to do the book haul videos. I'm just going to show you guys the books directly. So yeah, we have Persuasion by Jane Austen, another book that I'm really excited to read. This is a romance story, and I'm a big fan of romance. So yeah, and this is the another same bookmark. You still can't see it, but okay. The pages are really good. I don't think these are pirated copies, because I ordered it from Flipkart Assured, F Assured, and you are supposed to order anything if it's F Assured. We have the last one here from Flipkart, and it's Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen. If you can see this, I bought this book because it was on sale, and I really wanted to read Jane Austen and see why people are so crazy about her and some people are not. So let's see how both of the books by her go for me. I think I like Persuasion because I have heard a lot about it, and the story is really interesting to me. So here is the cover of Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen. Just focus, right? Okay. I think that's it from Flipkart, if I'm not wrong. So these are all the books that I bought from Flipkart. And yeah, and I just really like these covers. These are from Penguin. These are Penguin classics, and yeah, these are so beautiful. I really like them, and they are going to look so good on my shelf. That's it. Very beautiful covers. And now I will be opening this package from Amazon. I bought only one book from Amazon, which has been on my TBR for a long time, and because there were not much good deals on books on Amazon, and this one particular book has Rainbow Ages, and I'm really excited to see that, and I hope that this one has it too. I don't really want to receive any other copy because I was really waiting for this book. Yay! Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm just so glad. Okay, so this book is called The Miseducation of Cameron Post, if you can see. And this book is about a girl who is a lesbian, and her parents died in a car accident, and she is kind of glad they did because she didn't really want to come out to them. So I'm really excited to read this one, and it's thick copy, so I am obviously going to enjoy this. And just look at those edges. I don't think I'm going to put this down now. I am going to put it down because we have a big package to open here, and it's from Bookchore and it's quite heavy. I'm not going to film myself opening this package from Bookchore because it's going to be a mess. And yeah, so I'll see you in a minute. So I have almost opened the Bookchore parcel, and this is how it looks. I'm so excited to open this because these are all my favorite books. Yeah. So yeah, and I have always loved Bookchore and their services. I think they have amazing books. Okay. Ooh, we have new copy here. First of all, there was a sale on Bookchore. Their 5th anniversary was there. So if you would buy books for a certain amount, you would get a free book and a free book sleeve. So yeah, I did get a free book and a free book sleeve. So the free book is Where the Indus is Young, and there is their note here. Hello Rachna, stay on this road longer and it will only end in books. Lots of books. Thank you for believing in us. Bookchore.com. Oh, I just really love this copy, and I'm really excited to read this. I think this is a travelogue. I would really like to read this book and explore the Baltistan and the Indus River. So this one was a free book. I will open this, and I will just stick this note. I'll just stick this note right here, and let's open this one. Why do these covers have to be so tight? Okay. Yeah, so here is the book. Oh, I really like this. Okay, now let's see what we have next. We have bookmarks here. The first one says, "How you doing?" which is from Friends. And the next one is Dobby will always be there for you, which is from Harry Potter. The next one is again from Friends. I love this show. Then again this one. I do have this bookmark. Book hoarding is not a lifestyle choice. I was born this way. Yeah, this talks a lot about me. And then You Are Very Cute. I do have this bookmark. And then I have gone batty over reading. This is so good. And then the next is Between the Pages of a Book is a Lovely Place to Be. So true. Their bookmarks are really amazing, you know. And then there's this next one, which is again from Harry Potter. We have Ron here, we have Harry, and then there is Hermione, and then again Harry Potter. Okay, I love this bookmarks. And oh, this is book sleeve. Let me cut this one. It has watermelon on it. Oh, it's quite nice. So this is how the book sleeve looks, and I really like it. This will be I think book sleeves are really good for keeping books safe when we travel, and this will be very useful for me. This is my very first book sleeve, so I really like it. And then the first book here is Sons and Daughters by Margaret Dickinson, and I bought this book because I have a copy of its prequel with me, so I had to buy this book so that I can read that one. And it's really a beautiful copy. It's a used book, but it just doesn't really seem like a used book. That's what I really love about Bookstore. They have this great books. And then we have Where There Is Evil by Sandra Brown. This is another book that I really wanted to read. This is, I think, about pedophilia, if I'm not wrong. But this is a very dark book, and this is a very emotional one. So I'm really excited to read this one. And the next book we have here is The Gilded Cage by Josephine Fox. Again, this one I really want to read. Also, this was in a readable condition, but this looks like in very good condition. So I just really like that about this one. And yeah, I am really excited to read this one. Also, I made a space up here for the new books because there was not much space anymore in my bookshelf. So yeah. And the next book is Triple by Ken Follett. Since a few weeks I've been hearing a lot about Ken Follett, and I really wanted to read this one by him. I think this is kind of a spy and mystery book, so yeah, I'm really excited to read this. Again, books in good condition. And the next one is by Stephen King, and I'm really excited to read this one, and it's Needful Things. Look at that cover. So this book is about a man or a woman, about a person who opened a shop where you can get anything that you need, but you have to pay a price for that. You have to do something in return, and so that's where the twists come. That's where the bad things happen. And I really want to read this book. I think I'll soon read this book. And then there is this book called One Day in December by Josie Silver, and I'm really excited to read this one because I have heard a lot about it, and I have heard that this is one of the best romance books out there. So yeah, I'll be giving this one a try, and we are really in need of romance. And the next book is The Boy in the Striped Pajamas. Again, I got this book for a very good deal on Bookstore, and I'm really excited to read this one. And I don't think I have to tell you guys about this book. This is based upon Holocaust, and yeah, I'm really excited to read this one. This is going to be an emotional read, and we are ready. The next book is by Jodi Picoult, Small Great Things, and I have really come to like this author. Okay, she's such a great writer. She writes so many amazing stories. I have already read 3 books of her, so I really wanted to read this one by her. And see, it says a gifted storyteller right over here, and I agree because she is a gifted storyteller. And the twist that Jodi Picoult has in her books, they are like so awesome. You just don't expect the things to happen that happen in her books. So yeah, I'm really excited for this one, and I really like the cover, how it looks. Okay, and the next book is Twilight. And don't come at me because I bought this book. I have already 3 books from this series, and I really wanted to complete it, so I bought this one, and I will be reading this, obviously. That's why I bought it. So yeah, and the next book is Jude the Obscure by Thomas Hardy. Now I have heard a lot about this book. Oh, we have something here, but that's okay. So I have heard a lot about this book, and I think this one is an emotional. This book can make you cry, and that's what we look for in books. So I'm really excited to read this one. I hope I finish it, and I hope this is not very tough to read, because I avoid classics which are tough to read. And the last book is The Snowman by Jo Nesbo. So this book is a crime thriller, and it's about a murderer who leaves snowmans when he kills someone. So I really want to know about this book a lot, and I'm really excited to read this, because recently I have been in love with crime thrillers, and I have been reading crime thrillers a lot. So I think this one is going to be good for me. And yeah, that's it. Those are all the books that I bought. I hope I read them. I'm obviously going to read them. I think I bought a total 22 or 23 books, and most excited I am for the Needful Things by Stephen King, because I really love him now, and I really want to read more books by him. So this is one of them. And then the next book that I'm really excited about is this, The Miseducation of Cameron Post. And just look at that curve, that edge again. I just really love it, and it's going to look so good on my shelf. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you the mess. This is, so yeah, this is how it looks. And I'm sorry if you didn't like this unboxing. This was my first time doing it. I don't know if I will do it again or not, but yeah, I'm finally done, and I'm really excited to gather these books and smell them, and then keep them on my shelf, because I have made space for new members. So yeah, also I wanted to let you guys know that I am unhauling some books from here that I'm not going to read. So if you want to buy some, you can contact me on my Instagram or by my email ID. Thank you so much for watching this video if you have come this far, and yeah, thank you for being here. So let me know if you guys bought any books in the comments, and that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then. Also subscribe to my channel if you like this video and you want to see more book hauls or anything book related. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned till then. Bye.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, I can finally see you now.